So here we have HOLOSWIM's Smart Goggles, and here is my review of them. I've been so excited to try these goggles. I've heard nothing but great about them, and I have been getting more serious about swimming, but I don't want to keep track of my, my past swims on pen and paper. It's nice to have it on via digital. It comes with a few different nose bridge sizes, so whatever works best for you can switch that up. And here's what it looks like on my head. They fit pretty well. Pretty good looking goggles for all the hardware and capacity that these things have. So I have the goggles on. They fit really nicely. Even though it's a little bit more bulky, you really can't tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and swim, and then I'll give my thoughts on these goggles after I'm done. I got back from swimming, and I am never using another pair of goggles again, unless I maybe like forget these and I only can find some old, Speedo goggles in my bag. I'll forever be using these ones. They charge really fast. For instance, I only put it on the charger for like 10 minutes and then I turned them on and it was already at 88%. And these are so cool if you're a little bit more serious about swimming, because it gets all the data and analytics behind how fast you're swimming, the distance that you're going. These are a must-have, especially if you train in open water. If you're looking to train in open water and you want to get a little bit more serious about your swimming, you'll want to know the distance that you're going so that you can take data and compare it to, past swims. There's even like a mode on here where you can set it to where you kind of like, it's like a race, and you can set it and it'll say like 3, 2, 1, go. So cool, because it turns swimming into, it makes it a little bit more fun, because if you swim a lot, you might kind of understand that it can get a little mundane, a factor of excitement that throws into swimming. Any major swimmer would, for sure, I feel like, bite at the bit at that. So, and these goggles are perfect for that. They definitely make swimming a little bit more exciting. And the HUD is only on the right goggle. So the left goggle remains clear, probably to keep your vision clear so you can see where you're going. The right goggle is the one with the HUD. So really cool goggles. I'll never go back to other goggles. These are so cool. They're anti-fog as well. So really nice. Just make sure you dip it in the water first and then wipe the inside of the goggle with like a shirt or something like that. And then you won't have any fog. Really good at keeping water out of the goggle too. For the practical use of them just being good goggles, great. So let's say you're using them, but they're dead. You forgot to charge them. These are still great goggles to wear so that you can see clearly. These are fantastic. Like I said before, never going to use other swim goggles. These are going to be my only ones that I'm going to be using from now on. I have been getting a little bit more serious about swimming. So if you are getting more serious about swimming, these are an absolute must-have. It's one of those items that after you use it, you'll never use another pair again. So really highly recommend it. Really awesome, super cool. For sure would recommend buying these.